Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Federal government of Nigeria don approve 25 to 35% increase for the salary structure of police officers, armed forces, public servants and other pipo dem wey dey work under government. Na yesterday wey be Tuesday government announce dis one through National Salaries, Income and Wages Commission as dem tok say di payment go take effect from May 1st, 2024. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. President Bola Tinubu don pledge better living and working conditions for country pipo wey still dey working age as e tok say di custodian of di nation's machinery deserve fair wage and enhanced welfare. Tinubu pledge dis one today inside di May Day message wey e dedicate to all workers for Naija. Na special adviser to President Ajorin Ngelale carry dis one come outside inside statement wey im sign. According to Ngelale, President confirm say im administration dey committed to improve di welfare of all workers. That's why e put down different relief programs wey go make life siriri werere for dem. Dis message waka meet high cost of living wey many believe say na government reform policy cause am. Na May 29, 2023 wey Tinubu resume office, e implement di policy for petrol subsidy wey immediate past president Muhammadu Buhari don already sign. E say dis one go save government money wey dem go take do plenty good things for Naija. E also unify foreign exchange rate with other forex malpractices, but dis steps don cause kasala on top naira wey make price of food fly go up. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. Di president for Nigeria Labour Congress (NLC) Joy Ajaero don tok say di 35% increase wey federal government do worker salary na mago-mago. As e tok say living wage suppose be 615,000 naira. Ajaero tok dis one come outside wen e dey answer question inside interview wey dem do am for Channels Television today. If una remember say na yesterday federal government announce salary to 25 to 35% for civil servants and workers. Ajaero say the last minimum for workers wey be 30,000 naira don expire since April 18, so na new regime of minimum wage dem dey now. E say all labour union don agree for 615,000 naira as living wage for civil servants. Ajaero say minimum wage suppose be the one wey go keep person alive, no be the one wey go make person dey poor more and more. No be money wey go make person dey borrow money before e fit go work, abi money wey go dey carry you go hospital every time because you no chop better food wey oyinbo pipo dey call malnutrition. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. Federal government don start to dey compensate the property owner wey the construction of 700km Lagos to Calabar highway affect, with payment starting today, May 1st. Na Minister for Works, Engineer Dave Umahi tok dis one come outside wen dem dey do stakeholders meeting for Lagos. Before now, Umahi don already tok am say government go soon begin dey pay the property owners. E also tok say plan dey to install solar cameras for 3rd Mainland Bridge by June. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. With the scarcity of petrol wey dey happen for the country, e be like say the problem dey worse for Ondo, especially the state capital Akure, as many of the filling stations dey under lock and key, and those wey dey sell fuel dey sell am more than official pump price of 580 naira. The filling station wey reporter visit get plenty people for queue as dem dey struggle to buy the fuel between 680 naira, 720 naira and 1,000 naira. For Masas Energy along Obaile/Airport Road, dem dey sell fuel for 720 naira. Another filling station wey dey for opposite Ministry of Works dey sell am for 690 naira. Some filling stations wey dey around Shasha market for Akure North local government, at ten dants dey sell fuel for 1000 naira on top long queue, but some major marketers lock their gate as dem claim say dem no see fuel get. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar don tok say workers' eye don see shege under President Bola Tinubu administration. E say e never see any administration in Nigeria history wey treat workers like dis, as dem dey face problems daily with the price of food and other essential commodities wey dey fly up every day. Atiku say e dey unfortunate say workers' condition continue to dey worse. Na on X handle Atiku write dis one put as Nigeria workers join other workers across the world to mark International Workers' Day. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu don show solidarity with Nigerian workers on top their demand for minimum wage increase, as e tok say im administration go continue to dey take care of their welfare and prosperity for their work in the state. Sanwo-Olu tok dis one wen e dey address workers for Mobolaji Johnson Arena, Onikan, Lagos Island, where dem dey celebrate Workers' Day. Governor tok say dis year celebration no sweet belle at all with all the economic challenge wey dey face country pipo. E say even though e too don try im best through different programs like Oúnjẹ Èkó, Èkó Cares, healthcare services, transportation support and educational opportunities for children, yet dey stand by labour unions for their rights and welfare. Sanwo-Olu con encourage the workers make dem understand the importance of standing together in solidarity and support each other for dis difficult time. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.